Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download brand messaging templates from Canva. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once you are logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in brand messaging templates and hit enter. Scroll through the various templates displayed on the search results page. Find a template that resonates with your brand's voice and message. Click on the template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the template is open, you can customize it as needed. Edit text by clicking on any text box and typing in your brand's messaging. Change images or graphics by selecting them and choosing replace or delete. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines. Once satisfied with your customized template, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the Share menu, select the Download option. Choose your desired file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Click the Download button to save the template to your device. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure everything appears as expected. Your customized brand messaging template is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.